Learn today. Hello friends, let us learn about time today. Grade 2, Class 2. Let us recall that the long hand is the minute hand, short hand is the hour hand. The museum opens at dash. Let us look at the clock shown here. The minute hand is at 12. The hour hand is at 10. So the time is 10 o'clock. The museum opens at 10 o'clock. Tick-tock! What time is on the clock? Strengthen your time-telling skills by identifying the time to the hour, then drawing the hands on the analog clocks. Let us start. Write the correct time activity. You can see 3 clocks on the screen. Let's check whether you can write the correct time for the 3 clocks shown here. The first clock shows the time 9 o'clock. The hour hand is at 9, the minute hand is at 12, so the time is 9 o'clock. The second clock shows the time 7 o'clock. The hour hand is at 7, the minute hand is at 12. The third clock shows the time 3 o'clock. The hour hand is at 3, the minute hand is at 12. The term half past the hour. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next. If it has gone from the number 2 to number 3, then it means 1 hour has passed. The minute hand moves faster and it takes 1 hour to go around the entire clock. If it starts at 12 and goes around to get back at 12, then it means 1 hour has passed. If it starts at 12 and goes to 6, it means half an hour has passed. Now look at the clock shown here. The hour hand is between 3 and 4, the minute hand is at 6. The minute hand has passed from 12 to 6. It has started at 12 and it has come to 6. So half an hour has passed. So the time is read as 3:30 or half past 3. Write the correct time. For the clock shown here, write the correct time and we will check the answers. The first clock shows the time 4:30. The hour hand is between 4 and 5. The minute hand is on 6. So the time is 4:30 or half past 4. The second clock shows the time 7:30. The hour hand is between 7 and 8. The minute hand is on 6. So the time is 7:30 or half past 7. Half an hour has passed from 7 o'clock. So we can say that it is half past 7. The third clock shows the time 10:30. The hour hand is between 10 and 11. The minute hand is on 6. So the time is 10:30 or half past 10. Write the correct time. Let us now write the correct time for the clocks shown here. Let us check the answers. The first clock shows the time 2:30, half past 2 or 2:30. The minute hand has gone from 12 to 6. So half an hour has passed since 2 o'clock. So the time is 2:30 or half past 2. The second clock shows the time 8:30, half past 8 or 8:30. The third clock shows the time 6:30, half past 6 or 6:30. The term quarter past the hour. Let us now look at another term, quarter past. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to the next. So if it has gone from number 2 to number 3, it means 1 hour has passed. The minute hand moves faster. It takes 1 hour to go around the entire clock, and for half the clock it takes half an hour. If it starts at 12 and goes around to get back at 12, it means 1 hour has passed. If it starts at 12 and goes to 6, it means half an hour has passed. If it starts at 12 and goes to 3, it means 15 minutes or a quarter has passed. Look at the clock shown here. The minute hand has gone from 12 to 3. So a quarter portion is passed. So the time is read as 7:15 or quarter past 7. Write the correct time. To understand the term quarter past better, let us practice. Write the time shown on the clocks that we can see on the screen. The first clock shows the time 3:15, quarter past 3 or 3:15. 15 minutes has passed from 3 o'clock. So quarter past 3. The second clock shows the time 8:15. The hour hand is between 8 and 9. The minute hand is at 3. So the time is 8:15 or quarter past 8. The third clock shows the time 1:15. The hour hand is between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is at 3. So the time is read as 1:15 or 15 minutes past 1, that is quarter past 1. Calculate the time that has passed. Let us now learn how to calculate the time that has passed. Now we can see two clocks shown here. The first clock shows 3 o'clock. The second clock shows 4 o'clock. What is the time that has passed from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock? The hour hand has moved from 3 to 4. The minute hand is at 12. The minute hand has gone around the entire clock once and it has come back to the position 12. The time that has passed from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock is 1 hour. 4 o'clock is 1 hour later than 3 o'clock. Calculate the time that has passed. Now we can see that the first clock shows 3 o'clock, the second clock shows 5 o'clock. So the hour hand has moved from 3 to 5. The minute hand is at 12. Therefore, the time that has passed from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock is 2 hours. 5 o'clock is 2 hours later than 3 o'clock. Let us look at another example. Calculate the time that has passed. We can see three clocks here, clock A, clock B and clock C. Clock A shows the time 3 o'clock, clock B shows the time 3:15. Clock C shows the time 3:30. For the time in clock A to look like clock B, 15 minutes has to pass. For the time in clock B to look like clock C, another 15 minutes has to pass. So the time that is passed from 3 o'clock to 3:15 is 15 minutes, and from 3:15 to 3:30 it is another 15 minutes. So total time that is passed from 3 o'clock to 3:30 is 30 minutes. Question time. Time is 6:30. Draw the hour hand. The minute hand is drawn already. You have to draw the hour hand. To show the time, 6:30. Question number 2. Write the correct time. The hour hand is between 12 and 1. The minute hand is at 6. Question number 3. 2 o'clock is 4 hours dash than 6 o'clock. Time starts now. Let us now look at the answers for the questions. For question number 1, we have to show the time 6:30. We have to draw the hour hand. The hour hand would be at 6. For question number 2, the time shown is 12:30 or half past 12. 2 o'clock is 4 hours dash than 6 o'clock. Earlier or later? It is earlier. 2 o'clock is 4 hours earlier than 6 o'clock. Challenge time. The minute hand of the clock shown below are missing. Can you guess the time? Your time starts now. The first clock shows the time 3 o'clock. The hour hand is exactly at 3. Therefore, the minute hand would exactly be at 12. So, the time is 3 o'clock. The second clock, the hour hand is between 11 and 12. So, the minute hand also would be halfway through. It will be at 6. So, the time is 11:30. Time for another challenge. The clockmaker made the arms of this clock the same. So you can see that both the minute hand and the hour hand, they look the same. If you saw the clock after getting back home from school, would you be able to guess the time? Let me tell you the answer. 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. The hand that is pointing at 5 will be the hour hand because you are back from school in the evening. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Learn Today. Thank you.